household, they learn to mimic the sounds we make. Thank you, Miranda. And it ends up sounding a whole lot like talking. To kind of show that off, I have a great little mimicker. This is Groucho. Groucho is a yellow-naped Amazon parrot. Hey, Groucho, can you give everyone out here a nice big hello? Hello! Very nice. Now, yellow-naped Amazon parrots, these birds are normally found in the forests of Central America. Not this guy, though. No, Groucho, he has spent his entire life around humans, and he has learned to take mimicry to a whole other level. Let's see if we'll show you what I'm talking about. You want to turn around, show them your good side? All right, let's show what we're talking about. Here we go. Hey, I think you missed the word. You want to start over? Let's do the whole thing. Okay, good start. Apparently there's a scratch in the record. Let's try it again. All the way through. Apparently he knows a few songs, but we haven't gotten through any of them. Why don't we start over? Turn around. You want to turn around? Over here. There you go. Let's start the song. Yes, it was a teaser at first, but we got the whole song. It's pretty cool. Believe it or not, though, Groucho kind of gave it away. He knows the lyrics to 7 different songs from beginning to end. Do you want to see if we get a whole other song out of him? Yeah. Yeah? All right, for Groucho, what do you think? Great crowd. Let's do something special. Why don't we give them all a nice big kiss? Good stuff, that kiss. Alright, you finish that treat, Groucho, and you can pick from any of the other songs, okay? Any of the ones you started. Here we go.